Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will troubleshoot DTC B12D1, which stands for Power Control Unit IG1B circuit error, specifically for the 2023 Honda Accord. Understanding the relevance of this diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is crucial in vehicle repair. The Body Control Module, BCM, is primarily responsible for managing electronic functions in the vehicle, including the ignition control circuit. A discrepancy in the expected signals between the BCM and the IG1B circuit leads to the activation of this DTC. By the end of this guide, you will learn how to approach troubleshooting this error systematically. Let's review the essential components, possible causes, symptoms, and the detailed troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue effectively. The DTC B12D1 indicates a malfunction in the power control unit related to the IG1B circuit. This code is triggered when the Body Control Module, BCM, detects a significant difference between its expected state for the IG1B circuit and its actual performance. The BCM essentially orchestrates various electrical functions crucial for vehicle operation. Located within the dashboard area, the IG1B circuit is integral and is part of the wiring system that enables power distribution to essential components. If an anomaly is detected, it signals that the BCM interrupts the normal functioning of the circuit, resulting in stored error codes. Understanding this failure's impact is vital for effective diagnostics. Several factors could lead to the activation of DTC B12D1. A primary cause may be a faulty Body Control Module, BCM, which may not properly communicate or manage the IG1B circuit. Short circuits within the IG1B circuit could also trigger this error. This occurs when an unintended path allows current to flow, leading to incorrect signal detection. Conversely, an open circuit in the IG1B can prevent the BCM from receiving necessary signals. It's essential to assess these components systematically to identify the root cause of the malfunction effectively. Various symptoms may accompany the DTC B12D1, indicating underlying problems. One common sign is malfunction within the vehicle's electrical systems, particularly those reliant on the Body Control Module's management. Additionally, drivers may observe multiple warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, often relating to electronic systems or the ignition system. In some instances, users may experience starting issues or difficulty with vehicle ignition, making it essential to address the B12D1 code promptly. Each symptom contributes to a decrease in vehicle safety and functionality. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B12D1 involves confirming the state of the vehicle's electrical components. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position and ensuring it remains in this state for at least 10 seconds. This waiting period allows the BCM to perform initial checks and read objectives correctly. Next, switch the ignition to the off position and remain there for at least 5 seconds. This procedure resets the BCM's conditions and refreshes the circuit states, preparing you for further inspections to determine the cause of the error. The second step in troubleshooting DTC B12D1 involves inspecting specific circuits associated with the IG1B functionality. Start by visually and physically inspecting the IG1B SIG circuit for any signs of damage, disconnection, or corrosion. Perform an open wire test to determine the integrity of the circuit, ensuring that it is reading less than 1 ohm to confirm continuity. Next, check the IG1 Coil Plus circuit using the same method, ensuring it too reads below 1 ohm. Without proper resistance values, the BCM will suspect an error, leading to further complications in vehicle performance. Moving on to the next step involves checking for shorts in the circuits. The first action is to perform a short-to-ground inspection on the IG1B SIG circuit. Ensure that the circuit measures more than 1 megaohm while the vehicle is off. Readings lower than this may indicate a fault. Next, check for shorts to power in the same circuit. While the vehicle is off, there should be no short detected. If any short is present, this would warrant further investigation into the circuit's integrity and associated components. Conducting these checks ensures the reliability of the electrical system. The next troubleshooting step requires inspecting the body control module, BCM, for faults. As there is no direct testing procedure, a practical approach involves installing a known good BCM to determine if it replicates the original failure. If the symptoms persist post-installation, this indicates that other related components may be at fault. However, if the DTC or symptoms disappear, this suggests that the original BCM was the culprit. By systematically confirming the functionality of the BCM, you can effectively pinpoint the source of the issue and decide if a replacement is necessary. In the fifth troubleshooting step, focus shifts to inspecting the IG1B relay circuit. If prior inspection steps revealed that other components are functioning normally, the IG1B relay circuit is likely the source of the problem. To confirm potential malfunctions in the relay circuit, conduct appropriate tests to check circuit integrity, voltage supply, and receiver performance. It's critical to ensure that the relay engages and functions properly to maintain electrical distributions within the vehicle. Identifying issues at this stage could prevent further complications in vehicle operation. After completing all the troubleshooting steps for DTC B12D1, it's crucial to verify that all repairs were effective. Begin by using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the vehicle's computer. Once cleared, conduct a test drive to evaluate if the symptoms reoccur. Monitoring the performance during this test drive will confirm whether the issue has been resolved. If no warning lights illuminate and the vehicle operates as expected, the diagnostic effort can be deemed successful. Verification is a key step in assuring that the vehicle is functioning properly. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding future occurrences of DTC B12D1. Regular inspections of electrical components and connections should be conducted to ensure their integrity. This includes checking for frayed wires, corrosion at connection points, and ensuring all ground connections are secure. Additionally, maintain the body control module and associated relays by keeping them clean and dry to prevent moisture intrusion. Establishing a routine inspection schedule can significantly minimize the chances of electrical faults developing, enhancing the long-term reliability of the vehicle. In conclusion, effectively addressing DTC B12D1 requires a thorough understanding of its implications and a systematic troubleshooting approach. This guide has provided essential insights into identifying potential causes and symptoms associated with this power control unit error in the Honda Accord. By carefully following each step outlined, you can achieve a definitive diagnosis and resolution. Regular preventive maintenance will also aid in sustaining the performance of the vehicle and avoiding future issues. Always remember that understanding the vehicle's foundational systems sets the stage for better repairs and enhanced safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!